Gabby.
Oh, your camera.
Easy go.
Oh, I know Gabby want a camera so bad. What kind is that one?
A Sony.
Yeah, they so expensive. I just got something small.
Gabby, you don't want to do that? We might do that.
How much you pay for your camera?
This was $230.
And that's cheap.
Compared to.
Next was like $560.
And you can take pictures off it too. Oh, I want to see how it.
Can
I? Okay. Let me take a picture with the flash. Let me see how it looks.
I don't even got a flash on it.
Oh, it don't? Oh, it's just a record. It's like more of a recording.
Type shit.
Oh, that's what's up. Oh, look at the quality. Definitely. This is a good recording camera. It's a good recording camera. Now you got to do it too.
It's been recording the whole time.
Oh, shoot. Well, hey, YouTube. Hey, guys. I'm Gabby. I'm going to be in this video. Don't know if he's going to edit this in or out, but hey, guys. That junk is raw, though. Like, that junk is raw. Like, my boy got a camera. He's investing in himself. So, we're going to go ahead and introduce her. This is Gigi, guys. She just got shaved the hell up. They did my girl real wrong. But trust me, y'all, she don't look like this on the regular, but this is how y'all unfortunately have to see her right now.
She like that.
She like a damn greyhound. I'm so disappointed in her cut. I guess we can take her out. Come on, mommy.
She would have run
Take her to the vlog. She in the mood to be a whore. Girl, you can't get tummy rubs from everybody. That's her for JJ. You gotta rub her up here. She like that talk too. Oh, he is just a, I don't know what to say about her. Oh yeah, she's cute. She's cute. And it came with a charger. Yeah, it got to have one. Oh shoot.
Oh, sure it do.
Yeah,
it look good.
Yeah, okay. It does. Yeah, she does what she needs.
Goodbye to the camera.
Bye, mommy.
Say see you later.
Y'all, if he didn't tell y'all already, we are at Bahama Breeze. They sell like island type of food. If y'all come here, it's mandatory. Y'all get the Jamaican wings, and bitches are the hardest thing on the menu. This is what we're looking at. Shoot. I also love to get the Bahama Rita. I get the virgin one, but they do have it where you can get it spiked, I guess you can say, on the side. Ooh. My favorite. And I also like to get, bless me, the firecracker shrimp is good too. Y'all, I really don't know what I'm gonna get. And I don't know what I have a taste for. He's going to get go get the stand. So I'm just like cooling, booling. Smell like somebody's smoking some weed. This is so cool. Hi.
My name is Casey. I'll be taking care of you too.
Okay. He went to the park for a minute. He'll be right back.
Okay.
But for now, you're so pretty. Oh my god.
So are you, love?
Oh my god. Okay. For now, I know we'll just do a water and some lemon. Yeah. Thank you. She's gorgeous. Wait, I'm trying to like do something cute on Instagram where I'm like recording myself, and it's not, my camera's not giving what it's supposed to give. It's crazy. This is better. had just missed the waiter. I told her to come back though. Go with waitress. Hey, shit, it'll do.
You need to get hot too.
Jacksonville, Bahama Breeze, Casey, ask for me, I got you.
Casey's cute. I love Casey. Don't we all love Casey? Yeah, come on, bitch.
Oh shit, this bitch got a shot on it, y'all.
Yes.
They don't know how to add.
At all. I'm trying to record my what you call it.
Yes.
On the Airbnb. It's not expensive at all.
And then the salmon?
Thank you,
And I had some green beans.
I'm getting it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Look at this food,
I'm
dog.
broke.
Look at this motherfucking food, bitch. Look at this food, bitch. Bitch.
Bitch.
This shit looks good as a motherfucker. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso.
It's so crazy how it's like really less expensive to travel out of the United States versus here. I went to Miami. Our Airbnb was $1,000 something. When I looked at Tulum Airbnb, swear to God, was $6 something.
Is it already liquor in here? It don't taste like it.
Nah, I don't think it'd be bigger.
That's fucked up.
They just give me a little shot. Well, it might be different.
Yeah, we need civil war.
What's up with them?
We ain't even got no civil war.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? The people cool and everything, but we ain't had no napkins. They only got liquor inside this little shot glass. It's not even in the drink. What the fuck is up with that?
I'm trying to fuck up my food. They want to give a bitch. They want a bitch to just get drunk to death. You know what I mean? Excuse me. Oh. Can we get a silverware, please?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's all right.
Oh, silverware. I'm so
Yes,
sorry.
ma'am, you're good.
We're just waiting for the bread with the jerk shrimp.
We got it.
No, I'll be right back.
This chicken goodness. Have some of it. Now you can see it. Don't look on it.
I ain't even tried. Silverware.
Thank you. I forgot they about to close, y'all. Damn, I ain't tried. But let's just talk about how it's cheaper to travel all the way to Mexico than to travel to Miami. Let me show you these Airbnb prices, and let's just talk about this one. A 1-bedroom Airbnb. If y'all go on my channel and y'all look at my 18th birthday vlog, everybody was asking me where do we stay, this, that, and third, We stayed in a 1-bedroom. It was like a condo type of vibe. 1 bedroom, wasn't even big, didn't have no outside amenities like attached to the, it did, but it wasn't like we could walk out our door and just jump in the pool. In Tulum, I've seen Airbnbs that were like priced at like $600, where you can walk outside your door and you have access to a jacuzzi, to a pool, right there. This way to show y'all. who's traveling in the United States? I'm done. I'm fucking done. Take me to Mexico. Take me across the border for $15, which is not too bad considering we were by everything. It was on like Miami Boulevard, and it was from November 15th to the 19th. So I guess you can say 4 days, 3 nights, or I don't remember how that shit goes. Okay, 1 bedroom now. It's a 1 bedroom. She's cute. She had a little balcony. You can't really see. Yada yada yada. That's in Miami now. Check this out. Check what I can get out in Mexico. So this is Tulum, Mexico. 2 beds, $537, $89 a night. This is what $89 a night gets you.
Hold on, wait a minute. They put charging in it, bitch.
I wish I could show y'all, but it's not. It's so bright. 120 a night. 4 beds. 4 beds. So, I mean, imagine we split that shit up. Everything's good. Imagine we split that shit up. This is at the place. Imagine going on a group trip there. I'm going to Mexico. I'm going to fucking Mexico for my birthday.
When your birthday is?
In November.
Oh yeah, November.
So I'm gonna get my passport. I'm supposed to go to Mexico for my friend's birthday in August. So,
this way to find out a trip for my damn birthday.
Out the country is cheaper. Where to God? $89 a night.
So like every time I try to make a plan for my damn birthday, that shit will never go. I used to tell the wrong people. They used to envy me.
I'm down to go, but that's what $89 gets you a night. $89 in the United States per night is gonna get you at Motel 6.
I'm gonna drop pictures, show y'all them pictures. That shit look nice.
I'm telling you, yeah. Hell yeah. It's just like, and people be thinking, even me, I had the misconception that it's so expensive to travel out the country. It's not. The only thing you have to do is book a flight. That's it. And if you book with an app called Hopper, I don't know if you know about Hopper, but Hopper, boom. And you in there like somewhere, you get your flights early. We're going to Mexico. You got your passport already. We're going to Mexico. That's it. That's gonna be a lit ass vlog. The clubs there be lit. Bitch, I'm gonna be walking in the ground there with them. We're going to Mexico. And they friendly. We're going to Mexico. That's it. I can get a 4-bedroom Airbnb for $708. 4 nights. I mean 3 nights, 4 days, however the fuck the shit go.
Oh, you need to get some of this salmon before I eat it all, goddamn.
Let me
This shit good.
This jerk chicken good too. I'll be mine.
It's alright. It's alright.
I like jerk chicken and shit like that. You know that's my thing.
Yeah, your ass smash that shit at damn.
Real thing. Yeah, my friend, one of my closest friends, is a Virgo actually, so we'll be celebrating her birthday. Actually, I want to say y'all got the same birthday.
August 25th?
I want to say that's when. Hold on. It's a damn shame I done forgot my friend's birthday. I know she's August Virgo.
I don't think it's 25th.
She sent me the birthday video.
I'm disappointed with this shit.
I liked it.
I'm thinking it's gonna be liquor all up and through this bitch. No, I done took that little baby ass shot. And I ain't got no bottle today. And y'all see me, I'm like, damn, that nigga always got a bottle. Duh, nigga, I can't smoke, bitch. I can't smoke, bitch.
You know, you fucking know. This one gonna stay with him about it. He told a damn bottle like y'all, how y'all told pistols, but he hit him a bottle. He hit him about a bottle for sure. That you do. That you do. Yeah, I'm done. Limiting myself. I'm done. Like, I'm done limiting myself. I'm traveling more. Fuck that. Jamaica, I heard Jamaica even cheaper. Like, I think the conversion of the money, I think our money's worth more here, or however this shit go. Regardless, I'm getting the fuck up out of here. I'm getting the fuck out. I want to go to Jamaica for my 21st, but I don't know. How I'm feeling. A cruise, something. Bitch, get me the fuck up out of here.
I ain't never had no birthday party. I ain't never went out of town for my birthday. Yo.
That means that he gotta do that shit this year, y'all. Tell him.
Yeah, I done let go of a lot of baggage, a lot of dead weight. I feel good this year.
Yeah, I absolutely feel like you should definitely go. And you'll be turning
23.
20 fucking 3. This is Jordan year, y'all. If you don't get his ass up.
Jordan Hill. Splash, you heard me?
No, you gotta do something. Shit, that's a damn monumental. Then next year, shit, 24, hell, you turning Kobe, you gotta do you turning Kobe. You gotta do that shit big.
Legendary, nigga.
You gotta do that shit big. This is your, yeah, you gotta do that shit big. Yeah, you gotta do that shit big. That's it. That's it.
I smashed with that food. Who told me to go in like this?
That's what killed the plate. I eat too damn slow. But got to pack our shit and leave. And her shit out her pineapple. I feel like turn it up, but it's Tuesday.
I should have got this shit. I should have read what was in it.
I knew they mix it with mango.
I need some rum.
Yeah, rum, but it should be good for me.
It is good, but
You wanted something that was gonna get your ass like.
what shit in here gonna get me lit?
Should have got a margarita.
Liquor will get me lit.
You got a strong tolerance, a high tolerance. Remember that shit. I ain't get tipsy neither, but I just like it for the taste and the look.
Yeah, that bitch do taste good.
When you freeze it up, I just go back and drink my shit.
Oh, we got a brain freeze, y'all. Oh shit. Nope, it's coming.
How is it? What?
It's coming. You know what the dumbest shit ever? Don't they say we got a brain freeze, put your thumb on the top of your mouth? That shit is dumb as fuck.
I never got a brain freeze with them.
For real? Because you eat slow, that's probably why. I mean, this bitch.
Hell no.
This shit too good. Keep sipping.
Hell no.
How that sauce is?
I ain't taste it.
Alright, gang, we're finna conclude this video. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Post me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. You know what I'm saying? We're going up this year. Hope y'all enjoy. I'll see y'all later. Drop in the comments what y'all want to see next. I will definitely deliver. Before I go, I want to say I love each and every one of y'all.
I'm trying to keep your people occupied. These are your people.